This is Gary from our Paradise Farm. This is the back half of the yard that we're going to have dedicated to the trailer, house, whatever you want to call it. And this is what the front will look like, the side will look like. It's going to cut across. I don't know if you can see that. There's an orange flag down there. And that's where it's going to come across at the end of the patio. This side here, we're going to put up another privacy fence through there, so people from the road can't see what's going on in the back. And this is where our new gate's going to go. I don't know if you see those gray stakes. It's should show. There's the orange. That's supposed to be an orange stake, not a yellow, according to my picture. Anyways, that's one post. That's the center. That's the other post. 8 foot apart, 4 foot between the two. That's going to be our gate going out the side. We're going to have a gate on this side and a gate in the rear, which is that gray post right there and that gray post. And that leads us to the very back. That will most likely be cyclone. Could be wooden fence, not likely. The sides would be wooden. This one here will most likely be cyclone. Then we'll have, which is what I'm doing today in the field, putting posts in, and I will demonstrate how I use that one tool, putting these in. Yes, it is a T-post driver. If you guessed that on Facebook, you are correct. Sorry if it bounces around. I am walking and talking. I'm still prepping. I just thought I'd do this real quickly so I could plug my phone in and upload the video. And talk to you a little bit later. After I get some stuff done, I will also do a video and show you what I do. And then we'll talk about later about the weight. All right, have a great day. This is Gary from our Paradise Farm, Brat, Florida. Thumbs up. Hit the subscribe. Make sure the bell's turned on, because I don't always post. Right now I am, because I'm doing something here at the farm. All right, talk to you later.